So here is a review of a Bluetooth technology mouse. I love this mouse with passion, to be honest with you. This is a Microsoft Comfort Mouse 4500. If you need a wired mouse, this is the best wired mouse of all time. I just love to use it. It's very comfortable. I could not tell you how much comfortable this mouse is. I mean, this is one of the most comfortable mouse. But I prefer this one. This one is wireless, good thing. But for gaming, I can even game on this FPS, absolutely no problem. This is my second favorite mouse of all time. This mouse this is not the mouse, for the first time I bought this mouse in 2013. So for more than 5 years I'm using this in my third or fourth version, I think so this one. The fourth one I bought it. Whenever it breaks down or something happen, I just buy a new because I just love it. If you need the best wire, most comfortable deep Bluetooth technology fly, especially editing video, creating like some graphic design, this is the best mouse out there. You just can't go wrong with it. Yeah, it was me, Geek. Do not forget to subscribe, and this is a must buy. Subscribe and buy.